the satisfaction. All these stains gonna be gone. Well, this thing had a lot of bush rash, scratches for Africa. Just gave it the cut and polish treatment, and you can't see anything now. I think if I come around to this side, you'll be able to see them maybe. Camera's not really picking it up, but the whole thing was just scratched. So yeah, this side hasn't been done. Amazing what a little bit of mahi can do. Well, another Hilux to the fleet. This one is going to need a lot of attention. Yeah, this one's probably the roughest we've got our hands on yet. Got a little bit of clear coat coming off. So this one's all finished, fit a canopy to it. This thing has come out mint. Like, for how scratched it was, it's immaculate now. The paint is so mint. I'm actually quite surprised we got it that good. Interior had stains all over it. Yeah, she's mint. She is perfect now. But yeah, as for this one, she's going to need a lot of treatment with the wet vac. She's very stained up. But she's got potential. And I think we can get this thing looking mint. We've got a good base here. I know, it's satisfying getting them in like this condition and then a few days work, having them mint.
I want to see this colour with a cut, eh?
These headlights will be bloody sparkling, no more yellow. Yeah, I'm just doing a bit of a clip now, and then we'll do a before and after. Needs a bit of a steamy, but you know, easy stuff for us.
But she's a Hilux.
That's it.
Pretty much all done with this gold one now. All the interiors, well, fabric wise, is nice and clean. Look at the difference that makes. That's just unreal. How far that interior of that truck's come is insane. But anyway, we got this blue one coming in. This one's pretty much all good to go really. It's just the exterior needs a little bit of a clean up, but it's already, as you can see, real mint. So we're just going to give it like maybe a wax and polish. But this one's got leather interior. I'm not sure if this one's been on the channel yet or not. This one's nice and tidy. Low Ks too. Oh, look at that. So yeah, just a few small things to sort on this one, and I think we might have a buyer coming to have a look at this one within the next few days. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, this one's a good one. Hilux the world. Oh, one thing, I don't know if we've mentioned not as well, we're going to do quite a bit more to that one yet. Like the bonnet, for example, we're going to re-clear it. Use all those little tips and tricks James has taught us. Make it look a little bit better, just because that clear coat peeling looks horrible. Yeah, headlight polish.
Small things.
Yeah, it's just really cosmetic stuff.
That one has come a long way already. It's got a long way to go, but it's going to be so mint once it's done. It's crazy. Elbow grease, bit of time. It's not money for nothing though. Like, we're putting in quite a bit of time into them to get them mint.
Like, myself alone has probably spent 16 hours on that already so far, just cleaning the interior.
It comes time to sell them. Majority of the time, sell them with a waft, just so we know everything's like completely mechanically sound.
It's what you got to do. It's for the Hilux community. You guys should be thanking us, really, because we're saving Hilux. Like, how many Hilux owners spend 16 hours cleaning the interior?
This is not normal at all.
Like, I don't even go this hard cleaning my own vehicles.
just especially young people that own these, they just get rolled, bowled, and arsehole. They don't care.
It's actually quite satisfying work though. Seeing those before and afters.
Right, gonna finally do this bonnet. Just taking the scoop off so we can sand right in here. James has sent us some base coat. Just gonna redo the whole thing. Got some clear, and then it should be brand new again. So it shouldn't take too much.
So I don't know. Yeah, I've already done the rest of it. Cut, polish, then a wax. Didn't really film too much of it. It's pretty straightforward stuff. So, but it's come up bloody good.
Big shout out to Kayla at NST. Hooked us up with this brand new Hilux floor mat. One of the last steps. These running boards here are probably the ugliest ones I've ever seen. They are like stained.
They are filthy.
So scrubbing and trying to wash them alone just won't do anything. So we've got a bit of a magic trick we're about to attack them with.
Some would say it's the secret sauce.
They're going to be brand new in a second. Watch this.
Look at all that stain coming off straight away. Go again on the paint.
Look
how clean it is.
Oh boy.
Water doesn't even stick to it.
That is a huge difference.
Look at that. Oh. And we've got the bonnet over here. All sanded down, just got the filler primer on, little cracks and other imperfections, so we're gonna just come back over it and somewhat block it.
Well, I don't know about this. It's alright, but could have been better. Obviously the environment and the equipment we're using isn't the best. It is what it is. It's way better than it was. I think next time we'll just leave it for the professionals and just take it straight to James at Advanced Auto Refinishes. But we might just give it a quick wet sand afterwards just to make it pretty decent. That's alright. I mean, for an amateur, come out here. I don't know what this guy's doing. So what are you doing here?
What? Firstly, I'm giving it a clay bar to clean the surface from impurities and things that are going to scour up the cutting pad, and then secondly we're going to hit it with some V34 cutting compound hybrid lid on the buffer. Get that done, then we're going to hit it with the V38 optical grade final polish, which will really top it off, and then to finish it off we've got the Carnamber wet wax.
It's almost like you know what you're talking about.
Maybe.
Do you think you're a detailing specialist?
And then after that, it'll be like it's just come off the factory floor, my man.
Oh, it is looking pretty decent. I'll give you that much. But I reckon my paint job's better.
James ain't gonna be happy.
Yeah, I mean...
Say it again. You know, after everything that he taught us, we haven't learned anything.
Oh, we learned a little bit.
Well,
like
no,
it's half decent.
Like, we did do a little bit in prep work, but
I think I'm gonna blame it on the equipment and the environment. Because I mean, when I painted my body kit at his workshop, that was perfect.
yeah, no, and I think gun setup comes down
So our gun's about $50.
No, and it's about knowing how to set the gun up properly.
Yeah, James done that for us too. Ah, that is what it
That's
is.
usually something we're just like, here, James, set that up for us.
We gave it a go.
But as for this, you just wait. Oh, here, look at the headlights. It's probably no good showing you now I've done them, but
Oh, those were yellow before.
I haven't even polished them yet. That's only with the 34 cut on them, so.
Same with old Gold Dog. That one, those ones were yellow as too.
They honestly come up brand new.
Quite like doing this detailing stuff, eh? Oh, Blue Dog's getting the 3-stage treatment. Or was it 4-stage or 5-stage? I don't know, the whole 9 yards, but she's looking bloody good.
Well, there we have it. The after shot. Don't know how much footage I got of detailing the exterior, but I don't know if you can see all the scratches, imperfections in the clear are pretty much gone just from buffing it, cutting it back in the clear, polishing it, waxing it. Bonnet's 100 times better. Clear's all fixed up. Headlights are sorted. Running boards are spotless. And you guys saw the interior previously, so that's all good to go.